Flowers and foliage surround the west door and steps of St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle for the wedding of Prince Harry to Meghan Markle. May 19, 2018. Reuters Today's the big day. The exhaustive preparations have been made and the world is watching as Prince Harry marries Meghan Markle. The wedding ceremony itself will take place in St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle, which has been specially decorated for the occasion. The first pictures of the chapel show a stunning floral display around the organ loft. Flowers adorn the front of the organ loft inside St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle for the wedding of Prince Harry to Meghan Markle. May 19, 2018. Reuters guests entering through the west door of the chapel will be greeted by an arch of white flowers. The displays feature locally sourced white peonies, white garden roses, and more. A peony amongst the flowers and foliage in St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle for the wedding of Prince Harry to Meghan Markle. May 19, 2018. Reuters once inside, the garlands also climb the organ loft above the guest seats. The arrangement was composed by floral designer Philip Ecretic, whose company is the supplier for the V. Guests are expected to arrive at the chapel from 9:30 to 11 a.m. GMT, and the ceremony itself will start at 12 p.m. Flowers adorn the front of the organ loft inside St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle for the wedding of Prince Harry to Meghan Markle. May 19, 2018. Reuters. According to CNN, Meghan and her mother were not satisfied with the floral arrangement the day before the wedding. The problem wasn't the flowers themselves, they thought they looked beautiful, but they didn't feel that there were enough of them, CNN's Clarissa Ward reported. More on the royal wedding.